Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the terminal block in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. You should also unplug the power cord. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws securing the terminal block cover. Pull the cover down and toward you to remove. Use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the nuts securing the power cord wires. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the grounding wire. Note the orientation of the wires, then pull them free. Next, unthread the nuts to release the main supply wires. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the appropriate screws to fully remove the old terminal block. You're now ready to install the new terminal block. Make sure the insulator is aligned behind the terminal block. Then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Align the main supply wires on the posts, then thread the nuts. For 3-wire power cords, secure the white or central neutral wire of the cord to the center terminal block post under a hex nut. Next, secure the remaining power cord wires to the outer terminal block posts using the hex nuts. Be sure to firmly tighten the nuts. If you're using a 4-wire power cord, cut out the middle of the metal grounding strap. Align the green grounding wire from the power cord on the ground link. Then secure the wire and ground link to the back of the range with the screw. As with the 3-wire power cord, secure the white neutral wire to the middle terminal block post, and the red and black wires to the outer posts. Again, firmly tighten the nuts. Reposition the terminal block cover and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord in. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.